let us spill this already spilled juice. And we are on Dr. Maweni's business today. Guys, Maphephandaba reports Dr. Maweni, officially the richest Sangoma in South Africa. Like, officially, right? Okay, here's the headline, according to Maphephandaba. Dr. Maweni, the richest Sangoma in South Africa. While other Sangomas are struggling to get clients, like the shade. Like the shade. Hello, Gogo Maweni. It is rumored that Maweni has clients even in advance. Sometimes she can't even take more due to her being on demand. Guys, the first statement that says richest makes us understand because me and you are not the clientele, right? So do not want to book your spot in advance. When ahlala phansi, go back to church because you cannot afford uMaweni. Let's continue. At Maphephandaba has Maweni's other bank account, which got leaked by mistake. Okay, we all know that it did not get leaked by mistake. We all know, right? We don't need anybody to tell us. We don't need any confirmation. It was not leaked by mistake. Okay, let's continue. I'm taking this thing so personal, but let's continue. And this page can, with facts, say Maweni is very rich. Though we can't publish everything, we dare for other Sangomas to come with proof that they are also booked and busy like her and rich. Guys, let them come. Let them come. And more especially those that have all the answers and solutions to everything. Because now in all podcasts, all these Sangomas know everything, every muti, every word. Okay, with that said, let's continue. Though we don't know much about her husband, we can also report that he paid lobola of 150,000. Awawena. Okay, angazi bekayithatha because mina like seeing him bekayifana nje nami. But ke I should see yeah, bekanayo. Right? And now legally married and celebrating as husband and wife. Meanwhile, some can't even get more than 50K for lobola due to their mileage. Guys, bathi abanye amasangoma agijimile wagijima. So akekho umuntu ofuna ukufaka iring kubani kusigijimi. Yo, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Guys, we can't still be on 9 subscribers. Angeke. If we have 13 views, then let us have 13 subscribers.